campus, and I'm with the president, Ada Clower. Hello.
Hi.
It's great to see you. Thank you so much
It's
for
good to be here. Thank you. I'm so glad you guys are here.
Of course.
It's important that we get our word out into the community.
Most definitely. And today we're talking about the skilled trade services that you guys offer.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about it.
Skilled trades are often referred to as the tool belt generation. A lot of our students aren't picking traditional colleges. They're coming to us because we give them hands-on training, very specific in a skill, and then we help them find a job using those skills. So most recently we started electrical technician program, and those are guys and gals that are going to be working in the field of working with electrical and working in many cases as an apprentice when they graduate. We also offer HVAC, which is heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration, which is real important in this valley, especially in the summer. And then we also considered a trade is our criminal justice program. So many of our students will go to work as security guards as their first career into the security field. And I think we were talking about the women that are starting to get interested in the skilled trades. And if they're good at math or they're wanting to use their hands, not in a traditional sense, they can come learn electrical or learn HVAC or even work as a security guard. So we're seeing an increase in female population as well.
We love that, and I think a lot of people, when they think of skilled trade, they would think that that's for a man, but that's not always the case. Sometimes, like women, we could get into small crevices.
Yes.
And we can get the job done too.
Absolutely.
Most definitely. So I'm glad that we're breaking that stigma.
Yeah, the employers many times will call and ask for a female.
See, women?
That's right.
I love that. That's amazing.
Right.
And when they do the work, what happens after they're done here?
When they're done here, Career Services takes over. Actually, Career Services works with them as they are going through school to get to know them and help make sure their resumes are ready. And then when they're ready to go to work, if they're in skilled trades, they do not have an externship. They just go straight out to the job. And many of the employers know that our graduates are entry level, and they will start them probably, if it's HVAC, more with a senior technician, and so that they're learning along as they go.
That must do something to their confidence.
Oh, yes.
Just to be already prepared.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like, I feel like the traditional route, you learn it through the book.
Yes.
And then you're like, okay, you're thrown in after there.
Yeah.
But it's different here. You're doing it now.
Yes.
What you're always going to be doing.
Yes. We have a lot of equipment in the classroom. Last night they rebuilt an ice machine. Wow. So that's more along the lines of the refrigeration. But they have trainers that work in, when I say trainer, it's a piece of equipment in the HVAC lab. ET, we have a residential component and an industrial component. They also learn programmable logic controllers, also known as PLC, which is huge in this valley because of the agriculture.
Now, have you had it where students come in and they want to just do everything? They just want to do multi. They're going to be skilled at everything.
Usually, they don't.
No? Oh.
No. Usually, they want to come in and do one particular program. They're in a hurry. They want to get skilled and they want to go to work. But I will tell you, people that come back multiple times, many times are our veterans.
Really?
Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes.
And it goes well for them, huh?
Yeah. We have a student right now that is finishing HVAC, and next month he's going to start ET.
Wow. They loved it so much, they just had to do it again.
Yes.
We love it.
They become part of the family here.
Of course, most definitely.
They learn, and our teachers are very, many of them went to trade school themselves, and they're very attuned to what the adult learner needs.
I like that. I feel like you need that.
Yes,
it's
absolutely.
like the perspective. It really does.
Yes.
And where can we go for some more information?
You can go to uei.edu and of course look at the Fresno campus, or better yet, pick up the phone and call us, come in and visit with one of our admissions advisors.
Beautiful.
And I'd love to meet them, everybody.
We'll get to them.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ada.
Thank you.